dive in, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a single AI money secret.
How to build a business in 1 hour with ChatGPT. Starting a business used to take months of planning, thousands of dollars in startup costs, and endless trial and error. But now, you can do it in under an hour, thanks to ChatGPT. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the exact process of building a business in just 1 hour, using AI. And stick with me until the end, because I'll show you a real example of a business created this way. Introduction to the power of AI. Artificial intelligence is breaking down barriers that once held people back from entrepreneurship. You don't need to be a coding expert, a marketing guru, or a professional designer anymore. ChatGPT and other AI tools can now handle idea generation, market research, branding, copywriting, and even your first marketing campaign, all in record time. Step 1. Idea generation. Let's say you want to start an online side hustle, but you're stuck on what niche to pick. Instead of brainstorming for days, you can ask ChatGPT. Give me 10 profitable online business ideas with low startup costs in 2025. ChatGPT might give you options like a digital product shop selling ebooks or templates, a subscription newsletter on personal finance tips, or even a micro consulting service where you offer specialized advice in your field. You pick the one that excites you most, and boom, you've got your business foundation in minutes. Step 2. Market research. Once you've chosen your idea, you need to validate it. Traditionally, this would take weeks of research, but with AI, it takes just minutes. Ask ChatGPT. Analyze the competition for a digital product store selling AI productivity templates. Who are the competitors? What's missing in the market? And how can I stand out? ChatGPT instantly gives you insights like: competitors are focusing heavily on generic templates. But there's a gap for niche-specific packs like AI templates for teachers or AI templates for real estate agents. That's your competitive edge, discovered in seconds. Step 3. Brand setup. With ChatGPT, you can create a business name, tagline, and even draft your brand story. For example, you could ask, give me 10 brand names for an AI productivity template business that sound modern and professional. It might suggest names like Swift AI Tools, Promptify, or Template Titan. You pick one, then ask ChatGPT to write you a catchy tagline like "Work smarter in seconds." From there, you can take the name to Canva AI or another logo generator and create a professional-looking logo in less than 10 minutes. Just like that, your brand identity is ready. Step 4. Launch marketing. You don't need to hire expensive copywriters or social media managers. ChatGPT can write your first posts, emails, and even ad copy for you. For example, you can ask, write 5 Twitter posts, 3 Instagram captions, and 1 email launch sequence for my AI productivity template business. In seconds, you've got professional content tailored to your niche. You copy, paste, schedule, and your marketing campaign is ready to go live, all within the same hour. Real proof, example business. Now, let's put it all together with a real example. Last week, I challenged myself to build a business in 1 hour using ChatGPT. I chose the niche of AI productivity templates. In just 60 minutes, I generated the idea, validated it, created the brand name Promptify Pro, designed a quick logo in Canva, and launched 3 marketing posts on Twitter and Instagram. By the next day, I had my first 10 followers and 2 pre-orders, all without spending a cent. That's the power of combining AI tools with action. In closing, so the next time you think starting a business is too hard, too expensive, or takes too long, remember this. With AI, you can go from idea to launch in under an hour. If you found this inspiring, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI money hacks, and drop a comment telling me what business idea you'd build with ChatGPT. Who knows, your 1 hour project might just be the start of your 6-figure journey.
hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a single AI money secret. Let's unlock your wealth together.